map, and I was very attracted to see Nepal and its flag, no? Because it's a unique flag which represents your two religions and the magnificent mountains, no? And so for me it's a dream come true now. Yeah, because but I want to finish. I want to say I would like to thank the organizer and the Nepalese authorities for inviting me. And I'm very curious to see who is going to win the Holy Cup this year, this third edition. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And we made it very quick. We have a meet and greet event that's happening tonight, 6:30 p.m. and that will be live on TV on Kantipur Max. They haven't tuned in Gorola. The more of Mr. Buffon and Abhinav, a wonderful sports commentator, will be taking care of that session. And any question you have to talk about somebody, case limit because my विनम्र आग्रह गरे उहाँको लामो फ्लाइट त्यसपछि ब्याक टु ब्याक इभेन्ट अनि राम्रोसँग सायद रुममा गएर लुगा चेन्ज गर्नुको सावर गर्नु होला त्यसपछि हामीले यहाँ पानीहरू ल्याइसकेका त्यस कारण अलिक गाह्रो भयो होला उहाँलाई सो भोलिको उहाँको 100% पर्फर्मेन्स रङ्गशालामा हेर्नको लागि उपस्थिति हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ सायद he deserves a good proper long hour sleep. So we will not disturb you much. त्यस कारण केही प्रश्नहरू यहाँको छ भने चाहिँ please. Okay, of course. Not happy to come. You won't mind? We can answer to that. Okay, you've been one of the few who's played football like all his life. So he wants to know the secret to your fitness and performance.
I don't know because in the end I always love my job. When the other land, my work it was very hard because every day I had to fight with for the excellent to be excellent. To improve myself, and it's not easy when every day you have to fight with yourself.
Thank you. Yes, please. Mike block is right here. So you're here for BKP Holy Cup final, of course. That's the main reason you're being here. But anything else that you want to explore from this country? Anything that you're looking for? Maybe the natural beauties, the people, food, culture, the streets. Anything?
Yes, I hope. I hope. Because I'm here with my wife and a friend of mine. The main responsibility is to be here for Holy Cup and to see the final match. But I hope to come back here another time because I would like to go around the city, discover all temples that you have, and I hope to have another opportunity to come back for more time.
Okay, I think the breaking news is he wants to come back again. I think that should be your headline. He wants to come back to Nepal again, and let me tell you, sir, definitely Nepal is for you. Nepal is for you, and you definitely Nepal would love to see more of you, and you want to see more of Nepal. That's for sure. I can guarantee. Any more questions, please? Yes.
So welcome to Nepal. So
Thanks.
It's been long going debate about Messi and Ronaldo. It has been against both of them, who do you think is better?
About Messi and Ronaldo, who do you support? That's the debate all over the world when it comes to.
I don't know because I think it's not fair to say Messi or Ronaldo or Maradona or Pelé. I think this is a fantastic player who had written a great story of football, and this is not more. Okay.
Okay, I think we're going for the last question, please, because like I mentioned, मैले यहाँलाई विनम्र आग्रह गरेँ उहाँको साँच्चै नै उहाँ रेस्ट पाउनु भएको छ त्यसकारण to get the best of him for tomorrow, I think we need to release him today. So the last question, please. Yeah. Mike, I think Mike's there. No. Yeah. So sorry because we can go all night long, but then you know it, guys.
Namaste, buongiorno.
Namaste.
Benvenuti in Nepal. Sono molto contento.
Ma tu parli italiano?
Sì, parlo un po'.
I need a translator. Now I need a translator here.
Perché sono molto contento di averti visto qua, no? Perché
Grazie, thanks.
Perché questo è il mio sogno vedere a lei, no?
Thanks.
Perché abbiamo visto tutti i nostri, no?
Yeah.
Tifosi in Italia, poi Roma, Juve,
Yeah.
no? Milano. Sono molto contento.
His dream was to see me. I want to translate.
Noi volevamo regalare qualche regalo per lei.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you speak Nepali also?
Sì.
Yes,
Now he has a present for me.
Alright, perfect.
Okay.
Could you just translate that in Nepali पनि हाम्रो मिडियालाई so that उहाँले पनि तपाईँको त्यो प्रश्न पाउँछ होला?
म चाहिँ धेरै
Translate in Nepali.
म चाहिँ धेरै म हरिनारायण हो म चाहिँ धेरै खुसी भयो उहाँले यहाँ नेपालमा देख्नु पाएकोमा म चाहिँ when I was like 1996 I follow the Italian team, you know, because my favorite team, you know. So I'm so happy to see him यहाँ नेपाल भेटेर एकदम खुसी लाग्यो मलाई. That's why.
केही उपहार दिन चाहनुहुन्छ तपाईँ?
Yeah.
सो हामी एकैछिनमा त्यो यहाँलाई हाम्रो गोसुपाली हाम्रो कार्यक्रम समापन गर्न अनुमति चाहन्छु यहाँ।
Grazie per favore, grazie signora.
But now I want to say that I would like to see Nepal play in big event, Asian Cup, World Cup. But to do this, you need to invest, in structure like a stadium, to invest in education, to push the guys to play football, and this is too important because you need dream big and to hope to achieve this point, this top. Okay? Forza Nepal.
Thank you, sir, and with those inspiring words, and of course, with your presence, the young